These are the ingredients you will need to make your tiramisu. First, we add 1½ cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, add 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. You can use white or brown, but we chose to use white. Then add a dash of vanilla extract. It doesn't have to be exact, just add as much as you like.
Now mix the contents until smooth. Next, get a tray and open a pack of ladyfingers. Pour some coffee into a tray and place the ladyfingers on top. If you want, pour more coffee on top to add more flavor.
Now put the cream you made earlier on top of the ladyfingers. After you did this, repeat those steps one more time.
Next, add cocoa powder and toppings of your choice.
Sophie.
I'm Avni.
And we're going to be trying our tiramisu.
Wait, do you want to go first? Sure.
That's really good. Oh, that smells like shit. Thanks.
That's really good.